Welcome to AllFreePik tutorials. Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to create retro text effect or style in Adobe Illustrator. Type tool, shortcut T. Use bold typeface. Select text and right click and create outline. Ctrl O. Shade tool. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Move left and below little bit. Select shape and right click and arrange and bring to front. Shift Ctrl close square bracket. Gradient panel Ctrl F9. Left side gradient side color R27 G20 B100. Right side gradient side color R27 G20 B100. Middle gradient side color R212 G20 B90. Fill color white R255 G255 B255. Select both shapes and go to object menu and blend options. Spacing specify steps 50. Again go to object menu and blend and make Alt Ctrl B. Select shape and go to object menu and expand. Select shape and you can give simple outline color or gradient outline color. Finally, your vector text effect design is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create retro text effect design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.